This is the Kitronik interface board for Fischertechnik and microbit. It allows you to connect Fischertechnik components to your BBC microbit and program them in the normal microbit manner. The board has an inbuilt regulator to allow you to connect the 9-volt battery pack from the Fischertechnik sets to power your BBC microbit. It also includes an on-off switch to allow you to turn the power on and off. The board includes inputs 1 and 0 from the BBC microbit and also switches A and B. The board has outputs to drive 2 motors such as the Fischertechnik motors, which are available in some of the Fischertechnik kits. The BBC microbit is simply inserted into the edge connector. The board has been designed to mount directly onto Fischertechnik so that it can be incorporated within models and remain on the board. Connecting the battery pack up with a microbit in and turning the board on allows you to see the indicator LEDs, which are provided to help you use the board and see what the inputs and outputs are driving. The motor driver also has indicator LEDs, red for one direction and green for the other. In this demonstration, we have attached a light sensor to one of the inputs on the microbit, and we're using one of the outputs from the microbit to drive an LED. This could be used as a night light, for instance, so when it goes dark, the light comes on. In this demonstration, we have connected 2 Fischertechnik switches to the switch A and switch B inputs on the board. These connect to the same places as the switch A and switch B on the microbit, here and here. When I press switch, the motors start. When I press the other switch, the motors change direction. And when I press both switches, the motors stop. Kitronik have also developed custom blocks for the MakeCode environment for BBC microbit. This allows you to use the Kitronik Fischertechnik to microbit interface board with all sorts of the Fischertechnik accessories and create complicated projects.